Hi, this is Marty with Skincare Science, and welcome back for another video. In this video, I'm going to be talking directly to Jamila. Jamila, did I say that right? I hope so. Okay. Basically, there were two products within the line, and again, I have stated this from the very beginning. If you've ever taken education with me or spoke to me about formulas or the product line, there often are changes. There has to be. The batches are small, so there are inconsistencies, but there were two major changes with facial toner and skin recovery serum, and I've drawn a little diagram here and the active ingredients in skin recovery serum and facial toner. So let's get right to it. It is true, the formulas did change, the active ingredients did not. Allow me to explain. When I reorder facial toner, skin recovery serum, I will talk to my manufacturer, my lab, and I will say, please reorder this amount, done. They will accept the order, as they have for over 10 years, without a problem. Not so lucky this time. What happened is, well, let me back up and say, let me educate on the industry side. 99% of all skincare, cosmetic hair care follows this same pattern. Manufacturer above me to the lab with the active ingredient. When I place an order with my manufacturer, they place an order with the lab. The active ingredients, in this case facial toner, natural moisturizing factor, and vitamin C, or basically amino acids, and skin recovery serum, vitamin A, B3, niacinamide, vitamin C, and vitamin E will get ordered from the lab, come into the manufacturer. Because I order in small quantities, it's only going to matter on freshness and or quality of the product, but it's not going to save me from this unless I ordered, like 100 years worth kind of thing. All right, so basically what happened is when I ordered, the order goes here, here, to here. When it came back, they said, we no longer sell that ingredient. Just like that. We don't offer it anymore because we've replaced it with this one, and or we just do not have enough customers buying it, so therefore it's not profitable for us to continue the research, continue the efficacy, continue to manufacture it, support it, whatever you want to call it. They just stopped. Manufacturer comes back to me and says, Skincare Science, we're sorry, but that formula is no longer valid and we can no longer provide that active ingredient. You must reformulate. Oh man, welcome to my nightmare. So I get an email and you have to look at it like 3 or 4 times because you can't believe your eyes. Done. There's no warning, there's no communication, it's just done. Now, I'm lucky with these two products in that natural moisturizing factor is a very common and very easy to replicate and or formulate with. Vitamin C, same thing. All of these ingredients, and that's one thing that Skincare Science and Serene is founded on, is if it's been working for the skin for 20 years, 30 years, continue to use it, continue to work with it, okay? Why change what's working? Simple skincare works. There's no reason to be complicated. There's no reason to talk about crazy ingredients, blah, blah, blah. It works. My job with regards to facial toner and skin recovery serum, because of this change, then transferred into something else. Facial toner and skin recovery serum would change colors because the original formula had L-ascorbic acid in it of a different type. Now there's a different type of vitamin C, and I used to use it in vitamin C for sensitive skin. Okay. Now that naming convention is not really about sensitive or non-sensitive. It was something that I did prior to Skincare Science and Serene, and I just flowed it right in through, and it made sense for me. But eventually I honed the line down and said this doesn't make sense anymore. So vitamin C for sensitive skin is done. Okay. So what I did is taking the opportunity with regards to the lab who is no longer making the active ingredient for natural moisturizing factor and skin recovery serum A, B3, and E, I went ahead and made sure that the vitamin C that was used was the same as my vitamin C sensitive skin because it used a different type than the normal vitamin C, which is still within the line. That is going to hopefully preserve the color change that was happening with facial toner and skin recovery serum. When you change actives, there are going to be changes within the other percentages of base. What you are experiencing is probably, and again, I don't know, but I'm not surprised, Jamila, that you noticed it. I mean, you're not the only one that said anything, but any negative comments are going to be difficult for me to address because I'm not about what it looks like, what it smells like, what it feels like. Of course, it has to feel, smell, I mean, you get the point. But I'm about results. So therefore, if it changed in smell, I apologize. If it changed in feel, I apologize for that as well. Anything else that changed based on this dynamic occurring in my life, completely out of my control, it was devastating to me because I want to be consistent for 100 years. And because of that lab, I can't. I apologize again. I don't normally announce these changes because most individuals understand my philosophy and the philosophy of skincare science, and it's very, very simple. I search out the best. I search out what's proven. I try to be simple and results driven. That's it. One purpose, one result, beautiful skin. That is the foundation of Serene. That has been the foundation since day one. Crazy active ingredients, flash in the pan, things, products to get attention, to sell more products, to make more money. I'm not about any of it. So again, I hope that I've answered directly what you're feeling, what you're seeing, and I hope that that's good enough because that's all I got. Okay. Thank you very much for watching. A little bit of background into two products, a little bit of background into the skincare industry, one-off for apparently a very, very good client. So I'm happy to do it, happy to have this one-on-one, and we'll see you in the next video.